18. Durian, 1 serving equals 128 g 125 ml. High in vitamin C, 42% recommended daily intake per serving. High in vitamin B6, 23% recommended daily intake per serving. High in manganese, 21% recommended daily intake per serving. Source of copper, 13% recommended daily intake per serving. Very high in potassium, 560 mg per serving. Sodium free, 3 mg per serving. 19. Elderberries, 1 serving equals 77 g 125 ml. High in vitamin C, 46% recommended daily intake per serving. Source of vitamin B6, 10% recommended daily intake per serving. Source of iron, 9% recommended daily intake per serving. Source of potassium, 214 mg per serving. High in fiber, 5 g per serving. Fat-free, 0.4 g per serving. 20. Feijoa, 1 serving equals 100 g. 2 fruits. High in vitamin C, 34% recommended daily intake per serving. Sodium free, 3 mg per serving. 21. Figs, 1 serving equals 100 g. 2 medium. Source of magnesium, 7% recommended daily intake per serving. Source of vitamin K, 6% recommended daily intake per serving. Source of vitamin B6, 6% recommended daily intake per serving. Source of manganese, 6% recommended daily intake per serving. Source of potassium, 232 mg per serving. Sodium free, 1 mg per serving. Fat free, 0.3 g per serving. 22. Gooseberries, 1 serving equals 79 g 125 ml. High in vitamin C, 37% recommended daily intake per serving. Source of fiber, 3 g per serving. 23. Grapefruit. Half a grapefruit has about 50 calories. It is a source of fiber and is an excellent source of vitamin C. Note: grapefruit and grapefruit juice is known to interact with many medications and so needs to be consumed with caution. Patients taking medication for heart disease should speak to their doctor or pharmacist before consuming grapefruit or any citrus fruits. 1 serving equals 140 g. Half large. Very high in vitamin C, 90% recommended daily intake per serving. Source of fiber, 2 g per serving. Sodium free, 0 mg per serving. Fat free, 0 g per serving. 24. Grapes. About 100 g of grapes have 69 calories. Grapes contain flavonoids, which are phytochemicals that help to keep you healthy and may also help prevent some types of chronic diseases such as diabetes and heart disease. 1 serving equals 140 g. 21 grapes, 1 cup. Low in sodium, 15 mg per serving. Fat free, 0 g per serving. 25. Guava, 1 serving equals 90 g. 1 fruit. Very high in vitamin C, 343% recommended daily intake per serving. Very high in vitamin C, 343% recommended daily intake per serving. High in folacin, 20% recommended daily intake per serving. Source of potassium, 256 mg per serving. Sodium free, 2 mg per serving. 26. Honeydew melon. A half cup, 125 ml of honeydew melon has 32 calories. It is high in vitamin C and contains potassium and folate. 1 serving equals 150 g. 1/6 medium. Excellent source of vitamin C, 50% recommended daily intake per serving. Source of potassium, 240 mg per serving. Fat free, 0 g per serving. 27. Jackfruit, 1 serving equals 87 g. 125 ml. Source of magnesium, 13% recommended daily intake per serving. Source of manganese, 9% recommended daily intake per serving. Source of copper, 8% recommended daily intake per serving. Source of potassium, 264 mg per serving. Sodium free, 3 mg per serving. Fat free, 0.3 g per serving.